Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Business with Rocks. On today's episode, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing. We're going to find out what it is and why I think it's uber duper dope. So let's dive right in. So now first things first, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a performance-based type marketing where like a business rewards you for bringing in visitors, leads, and customers as well. And you get paid for it. What? On their platform. It's crazy. The first perk of affiliate marketing is that you're able to advertise for companies that you like and love without having to be the owner of it. Think about this. If you love Amazon, you're able to bring people into Amazon's platform, get paid based off of the sales that comes in through that whole platform, and you don't have to worry about customer service. You don't have to worry about dealing with all the things that the owners have to deal with. You just have to worry about bringing them in and collecting that check after. Now the next perk about affiliate marketing is the high commissions that some of these companies offer. Some companies offer from 30% to 80% commissions. I've even seen up to 100% commission, which was from Russell Brunson's One Fall Away Challenge. He was offering 100% commission. Literally, if someone came in through your link and paid the full $100, you got the full of $100. So there's a lot of companies that do that. The one that's more common, I would say, is the 30% into the 50%. So for instance, for me, I have a course coming out. I offer a 50% commission. Let's say this course is 10K, right? You go in, you recommend it to somebody, whether you do it through Facebook ads, Google ads, word of mouth. Remember the 3 forms of traffic. And let's say you use the first 2 forms, which is traffic that you control, which is with paid traffic, or traffic that you earn, which is you working your way into other people's platform. Now let's say you get some sales from there off of my course, and let's say the course is 10K, you get 5K. So you get a whopping 5K just for referring or bringing someone into that platform, and you don't gotta worry about the back end work in terms of nurturing that relationship, in terms of building that customer up. No, all that is on the business owner. All that is on the company that you signed up for the affiliate program for. That is crazy dope. So one of my mentors taught me when I was doing Shopify that listen, when you have a product or a service, you're gonna have to break it up within 3 parts. So it's 33% product cost, 33% advertising, and 33% profit. So now think about it, because sometimes it'll vary, okay? Sometimes it'll vary. So you might think, okay, I'm gonna really be paying 30% for advertising, maybe 10%, maybe 80%. So with affiliate marketing, you're offering a fixed amount. So let's say you're offering 30%. So if that person comes in and brings you a sale, you are going to just give them 30% no matter what. It is fixed. So think about that. The beauty is you don't have to worry about, oh my gosh, the fluctuation of a 10% on ads for this particular sale or 80%. One of your affiliates, and this is me talking as a business owner, if one of my affiliates come in and bring me 10 sales, I'm good because I know no matter what, that fixed amount of 30% for each sale is going out to them. I hope you guys understood that. If you don't, put some comments down there. I'll definitely speak more about it. So now the next perk of affiliate marketing is that it could be used as a secondary source of income. So consider it as passive income. Because for instance, with me, I do TaskRabbit. So I use TaskRabbit using Bing ads. So the beauty about that is that I would put up an ad. The first week, I was just testing things out, seeing how it was, seeing what keywords clicked, and then once it clicked, I never touched that ad again. Literally, it's been running for almost 6 months, and I've been passively getting $20 to $60 a day by running $2 ads. Passive. Just put it up, never touch it again. So that's definitely one of the perks that I love so much, because I do that with so many things. Whether it's with Uber, free Uber rides. In the beginning, it was like the Wild Wild West. Literally, I was able to get $20 per ride by doing maybe $1 or $2 worth of ads a day, because again, not a lot of people know this. But now they've docked it down to I think 10 or $5, but it's still good, because right now I'm only spending $1 a day, and I'm getting maybe 2 to 3 rides per day, so that's $15. I'm spending $1 a day to get $15 worth of Uber rides. Now the next perk of affiliate marketing is that you work at your own time, at your own pace. So you know if you're an employee and you work a 9 to 5, you run on other people's time. Affiliate marketers make a full-blown career from doing this. Literally, they have the freedom to pick and choose what company they want to get into, and once they pick that company, whether they advertise at 4 o'clock in the morning or 10 o'clock at night, they get to choose when they want to do it. They run on their own time. So it's almost like, not even almost, you are the boss. And the next perk about affiliate marketing is that the sky's the limit. Some companies companies, they would dock you, because I know I did one for I think it was Instacart, and they like stopped you, or Ebates, they'll stop you, or even Ledger, they'll stop you. But most companies, they want you to keep bringing in the customers, so they won't stop you. So you have an opportunity to literally keep building that company up by keep bringing in unlimited supply of customers, unlimited supply of leads, and by you keep doing that, they'll pay you unlimitedly as well. You understand? So it's almost like you are, in a sense, some type of owner for that particular company. You understand? It's crazy. That's why affiliate marketing provides you with so much power, so much freedom, and I love it. I don't care what I'm doing, whether I'm doing real estate, whether I'm doing gifted and lit, whatever, Amazon, I'm always gonna have affiliate programs and affiliate marketing in my back pocket because of how passive the income is and how dope it is. I hope you guys found some value in this video. Listen, like, comment, and subscribe, guys. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. Also, ring that bell so you guys can get some notifications from when my video pop up, all right? I know we went through a ton of stuff, and I'm pretty sure with as much things I talk about, you guys have more questions. I'll meet you down there and answer any questions that you have, guys. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you found some value.